Hey everybody, this is the new Barton Musical Circuit's BMC119. This is the digital voltage shift register. So it's kind of like an analog shift register, but I'm using a microcontroller. So this is taking control voltages, storing them kind of in a line that you have step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're tapping into those voltages with these two knobs. So now they're both set to the same point, so you should be hearing the same note on left and right. And by adjusting these, I'm changing the offset. But I can also just turn the clock off for a second. And what I'm doing right now, you could also do that with a control voltage with these inputs here. But I'm just selecting what step in that sequence. And every time we hit that clock, everything's moving down one. And then the last one is getting sent back to step 1. And we can also set it so that instead of taking it from step 1, we could get, step 1 could be taking its voltage from the input here. And we set that by turning this right toggle up, or we could input a gate to the right input right there. So let me put this back on. And we set that back to like that. And I've got a keyboard set up. So I'm taking the gate out to the right input, and then I'm taking the CV out to the input of CV there. And so now we have a different sequence going just from me playing a couple notes on the keyboard. And I've had a lot of fun with just kind of jamming with myself doing that. And then we also have our length control up here, so we can make this a shorter sequence. And then we can also load the sequence that we had. We have save and load buttons here. This little toggle selects, you have two different spots you can save them in. This toggle selects which of those spots you're loading or saving from. Oh, I guess I had something different loaded. Let's see what's on the other bank. And then we also have our tune toggle here, which that just sets the same voltage to both outputs, so you can tune your VCOs, which those are close enough for me. I like how this is sounding. And then let's see what else do we have. We have a reset input, so that just like a sequencer, takes everything back to step 1. And yeah, that's kind of what this thing does. I've had a lot of fun jamming with it. Thank you for watching.